18. Will I be still alive, if by starvation I'm not been brought down, or by senseless war, made to embrace the gore? I'll crumble down to earths, not even spared by gods. What is my fault? I do not ask a lot, only the basics of birth. Yet this is too much for this country to part with honorably. I have no childhood innocency left, for whatever small dose I had has been long robbed by greedy grown-ups, who instead of protecting us break our little hearts.